What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and welcome to Transparent Tech, a themed episode that I have a lot of excitement to bring you because over the months I've been collecting tech that has followed a very common trend lately, and that is being translucent. So in front of me, I have the transparent speaker that I've had for quite a while now, this really cool charger that we've shown in the past, the newest generation of the Nothing phone, as well as the Beats Studio Buds Plus that are uniquely also translucent. And we're just taking a look at some of the best when it comes to accessories that you can either add to your EDC or tech setup that have a specific design element. And that is the fact that they showcase the beauty of technology and the engineering behind it. And that is why it has the name Transparent. As always, if you would like to win an item from this video, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with your favorite item. And I'll be picking a winner and contacting you directly on Instagram in 2 weeks. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So this next product right here is the Beats Studio Buds Plus. This one right here is their newest model of truly wireless earbud. And over the years, I've actually really liked the Beats collection because the sound quality is great. They're a lot more stylish, and in a lot of ways, they just stay out of the way and pop into the ear very nicely. As you open them up here, you'll see that the case itself has a transparent element with like a frosted finish. And of course, that translates over to the earbuds. You see all the little details of technology that has been packed into a really small form factor, and that is definitely one of the main selling points of the Beats Studio Buds Plus. Each bud is equipped with a 2-layer transducer for cleaner bass and ultra-low distortion, and in this model it has 1.6 times more active noise cancellation than the previous generation and 2 times better transparency. It comes in at a price point that kind of sits in between different elements of Apple's lineup, and I said before that the noise cancellation was pretty good, not quite as good as the AirPods Pro, of course, and it really has been noticeably improved, and that was one of the biggest faults that I had in the previous generation. You get up to 36 hours of listening time with the charging case, 9 hours from the earbud, and 27 from the case, and a 5-minute charge gets you 1 hour of playback. At a price of $170, I think it's a really stylish accessory, and it's quickly become one of my favorite truly wireless earbuds to wear around. So yeah, that is the Beats Studio Buds Plus in the transparent option. So a phone that I've been wanting to check out is the Nothing phone. I didn't have a chance to check out the original generation, but it's an approach that has been brought forward that really embraces what all the customers want in their devices without having to pay for any extras. It has a lot of the flagship features and specs that are important to people while coming in at a price point that delivers a lot of value, and the design approach also pushes the boundaries a little bit with a translucent design that has been carried out since the original generation. It's available in a model that is very translucent, and there's also one that has this smoky color here, and it is subtle in a lot of ways, but also has functional elements, including utilizing the transparency to have LED lights for notifications and stuff. You take a look at the back and the sides, it is very simple and minimal. You have this metal band around, you have a glass finish on the back, 2 cameras, and it has really taken the industry by storm, and it features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU with an Adreno 730 GPU with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigs of storage. The battery is 4,700 milliamp hours, and it also has a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. As for the camera, it is a 50 megapixel main sensor with an f1.9 aperture and a 50 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera. So on the spec side of things, you really have the total package of necessities here without having too many cameras and too many features with a relatively clean ecosystem. And honestly, it is just like a very simple but unique approach, and it comes in at a price point of $599. So the next product right here is the Paperlike cleaning kit. And you guys might know Paperlike from making amazing screen protectors that work great with the Apple Pencil, but this right here is their new cleaning kit. You can see that it is very portable. It comes in a nice case, and within it is a very well thought out accessory that beyond portability has amazing functionality. It not only has a spray that is oil dissolving to get rid of all the fingerprints and grime on your screen, but it also has the built-in microfiber element, and you can also use the angular edges to clean stuff like your camera lens element and other parts of your device that needs cleaning beyond the screen. So just for a quick demonstration here, you just go ahead and spray it. And I love how it's like a very wide spray, so you're not just like plastering a bunch of liquid on your device, but it has like a very wide distribution. And from there, you just go ahead and run it along your screen, and you can see that it does an amazing job of picking up all of the solution and taking away any fingerprints or dust that is on your screen. And when you're done using it, just go ahead and put it back in the case. And I love that because I have a lot of microfiber cloths that are just really, really dirty. And there, taking a look at it under light, you can see the iPad is completely clean, and I literally did that in just a few seconds. It's like a fun demonstration here. If you guys have a lot of tech products and are always wanting to keep it clean, then the Paperlike cleaning kit is something you should definitely go ahead and check out, and I'm gonna drop a link down below. So this next product right here is a transparent speaker. I'm sure you've seen this on Instagram and in interior design videos before, and I've had the smaller ones in the past, and I also have the portable ones, but this is essentially the flagship in the lineup, and it is made out of metal and tempered glass. As you can tell, it is so beautifully designed, and it really embraces Scandinavian design at its whole, and it's available in both black and white. It comes in at a price point of $1,100, which is quite a bit, but all of the tech inside of it include a 6-inch woofer and has 10 liters of acoustic volume inside. It is truly a beautiful product, and I absolutely love the way it looks, whether it's on a shelf, on a desk setup. I've moved these around throughout all my setups in the past, but the whole point of this transparency is to be able to enjoy the beauty of these acoustic elements, but also have the benefits of the sound resonating throughout. And you're also able to upgrade and change certain elements of the speaker in the future. But when it comes to the actual tech itself, it has both the analog and the digital elements of being able to plug in your own audio or also stream to it wirelessly. And when it comes to the speaker quality itself, I would say it's pretty good. For $1,100, you can probably get better options out there, but you're really paying for the design in this aspect, and the sound quality is still pretty solid. So another product that I came across a while ago is the ZensLiberty transparent wireless charger. The reason why it's on this platform here is because you're actually supposed to cut a hole in your desk and install it because it looks incredible. It has 16 coils and it can wirelessly charge up to 2 devices at the same time. And there's also a built-in USB port to be able to just plug in directly. So you just place your phone anywhere, and the reason why it has 16 coils is because instead of having to aim and figure out where your wireless charging is on the pad, you just go ahead and place it anywhere, and chances are you're going to land on a wireless charging pad. It just makes that experience a lot easier and fixes one of the most annoying kinks of large wireless charging pads. It has 2 15-watt outputs, so it's able to give you that max speed. But to be able to get this beautiful design and the glass finish and everything, it definitely comes in at a price because it retails for over $300. So before we move on to the next product, I want to give a huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, BetterHelp. Negative thinking can be a significant barrier in our lives, often holding us back from achieving our goals and also finding happiness. Recognizing and addressing these thoughts is crucial for our mental well-being. Therapy can be an invaluable way to combat these negative thought patterns, and it's about finding a supportive environment where you can learn strategies to change these thoughts. BetterHelp makes this easy by connecting you to a licensed therapist who are trained to listen and provide helpful, unbiased advice in whatever way is most comfortable and convenient for you, whether it is over the phone, a message, video, or a live chat. The convenience factor of it is amazing because you never know when you're going to need help, and you can go ahead and visit betterhelp.com/say and join over 4 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional. Talking to a therapist can help you challenge these negative beliefs through practicing mindfulness, change your perspective, and learn positive self-talk. These tools can be invaluable for your mental well-being. So if you think you can benefit from therapy, the link is on screen and in the description section below, and a huge thanks to BetterHelp once again for sponsoring this video. So another accessory that I rarely find transparent options of is wireless chargers. And in this video we showed the ZensLiberty, but that comes in at a pretty high price point. But if you're looking for a simple desktop charger, then this one right here is able to give you the maximum charging speed via the wireless charging capabilities. In this case, you can charge multiple devices, both on the back and on the top. So if you have like an Apple Watch, you can charge it here, you have your AirPods underneath, and then your phone can charge right here. The coil itself shows the copper coil just like the ZensLiberty. There's nothing really much to say about it, but it is a simple but effective product that is stylish to have on your desk if you're trying to add to your transparent collection. There's also USB Type-C on the back here, and it is also made out of CNC aluminum, so a very solid frame here in combination with the plastic construction, but the transparent element is really what you're looking at here. So checking out another product from the Nothing phone lineup, this is the Nothing Ear 2. It is available in both black and white and features an 11.6mm dynamic custom driver with a new dual chamber design, and you can see all of the tech behind it. I think they've really nailed this transparent technology because not only is it stylish, but you can just see all the little intricate elements. And I think the white one specifically is my favorite, both in the phone and the earbud. This model has active noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, which is decent, but nothing crazy. And it also utilizes adaptive noise cancellation technology. It features IP54 water and dust resistance, and you get 6 hours of playback on the earbuds themselves and up to 36 hours including the case. Considering how compact the case is, I think that is pretty impressive. And when it comes to sound quality, I've been really satisfied with the sound that the Nothing earbuds have been able to deliver. Another accessory that I can't get enough of though is charging bricks. This is a 30-watt Nomad charging brick, and it is the smoky, transparent look that you have on the Nothing phone as well. So it could be a very good combination, but the bottom line is it's extremely compact. It's the size of Apple's old 5-watt charger. It gives you 30 watts of charging. It also has GaN technology, which ensures you get the maximum charging speed without overheating your device. It is just good to be able to take this on planes and stuff, because I find that the chargers with like the flip prongs sometimes don't work. And a lot of times a heavier charging brick will just fall out of the outlet. So for any trips, I always make sure I bring quite a few of these GaN chargers. Some of them are 65 watts, some of them are over 100 watts, but for your phone, you just need like a 30 watt like this and you're good to go. So continuing on with the transparent line, this is a lantern that I've wanted to check out. I've been looking for like a good portable speaker that is good to bring outside for like a picnic or just sitting on the terrace. And this doubles as a lantern, but it also has a speaker built in. And we checked out the larger transparent speaker in this video that comes in at a price point over $1,000. But this right here is one that comes in at $350. And although it is still steep for what it is able to offer, on the spec side of things, it features a 360-degree sound thanks to the 2.5-inch full-range driver and 3-inch passive radiator, and it gives you up to 10 hours of battery life on one charge. You're also able to turn on the light and control the different color temperatures from 900 to 3500 Kelvin, and it uses Bluetooth 5.0 to connect. I have the white and the black one here, and it comes down to which one you personally prefer, but I think it's a fun gift with the holiday season coming up to bring a speaker outside and have a speaker that has dual functionality as well. So that is a transparent light speaker. So another product that you can add to your transparent tech setup is a mouse. This is a mouse that is able to add to the aesthetic design, and if you're just doing day-to-day tasks, I think it's able to get the job done. It comes in at a price of $32, and there are multiple DPI settings up to 2400 depending on what you need. It connects via USB-A, and you can actually store it inside, so it could be a very good portable mouse, and you're able to charge it via USB Type-C. As you can see here, it is really simple. The clicking is okay, it's not great, and that's kind of the trend with this. And the scroll wheel, I would say, is pretty solid. It is metal, but aesthetically, it looks great. You're able to actually take off the lid very easily and clean it, or if you want to, you can access the USB dongle here. It is a very simple option that is a great portable one, and it comes in at a relatively affordable price. So if you're looking for a transparent power bank, these are ones from IDEO. It is literally a Swiss Army knife for power banks, and it has everything you need to be able to function amazingly if you're on the go or else just need a power brick or charger. The only thing about it is that even though it is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, I wouldn't say it is the most portable one that I've seen. But to be able to fix that, you're actually able to detach the top, which is what charges the entire bank. And here you have a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, which is pretty much a comparable size to the other ones that I've seen. It does also have built-in cables, which is nice, with USB-C and Lightning. And I think that is a really handy accessory because a lot of times I don't have the cable with me, and these are the two that you're going to need. The power indicator is right here. You also have an additional USB Type-A and USB Type-C port. And to go ahead and charge it, you just connect it back via the magnet, and you have a flip-out prong right here. That's not all though, because you can also utilize this adapter right here on its own as a 45-watt power brick. So if you're charging your phone and need that fast charging speed, just go ahead and plug this into the wall on its own, and there's a little USB Type-C port on the bottom here. So I think this is really a must-have for anyone's like travel bag to be able to bring this with you everywhere. It is not the lightest and it's not the most portable, but it definitely has the most functionality of all the power banks that I've seen so far. It does also look great, and I guess that is kind of the whole point of this entire episode. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and if you want to see more themed episodes, let me know which one that you'd like to see in the comment section below. But I'll see you guys in the next one.